What is going on to my 289 subs? What's up, man? How we doing, baby? We chilling. What I got for you guys today, I got a little workout video today, so you guys already know, man. We got a little storm going on, snowstorm, and yeah. Your boy's ready to hit the gym. It's currently 12 o'clock, and we're gonna go crazy. Yes, sir. So we have a snowstorm. I'm wearing my boots. Gotta go downstairs and clean my car because that shit is packed, my boy. And yeah, see what's up. Holy shit. This is pretty bad. Holy crap. I think I was playing. Don't worry. Thick ass hoodie. My car's not that bad though. Clean that shit on like 2.5. Damn. This car is loud. The thing I don't like about my car is that I turn it on with the keys, but when you open the door, it shuts down. What kind of fucking shit is this? So yeah, let me clean this car up and we're gonna head to the gym, baby. Yes, sir. All done. It's nice and clean, both cars. My girl's car is clean. My car is clean. About to hit the gym. About to head to the gym right now. Having a scoop of amino acids. This is kiwi blueberry flavor. You already know, Raw Nutrition. Code Espinal10. Save you 10% off. Yes, sir. And I'm having some creatine monohydrate. You already know. And then we got the cranberry apple juice. I heard this. If you mix this, not mix it, but if you drink this throughout your workout, cranberry juice, I heard it gets you stronger throughout your workout. So let's give it a try. And we're gonna try it with the creatine. So we're gonna be extra strong today, I'm guessing. I don't know. Ask your boy, what's his name? Eddie Hall. Strong man. This is a lot for your neck, you heard? So let's mix this up. I already got a scoop of my shaker. I'm actually curious on how this is gonna taste with the kiwi flavor. I mean, if Eddie Hall says it, then it's true. You know what I'm saying? I mean, he is a strong motherfucker though. So regardless if he takes that shit or not. So let's give it a try. The apple juice kills it. Nah, not with the apple juice. If it was just cranberry juice, it would have been way better. But still not bad. And this shit doesn't have a lot of sugar. 32 grams. God damn. Oh yeah. Let's get ready to take them weights, man. You done with the band? Or no? You do look good. You're gonna have the whole, stop looking, alright? Alright, so we got some back today, some back workout. Watch out, babe. You can stay here, stand here if you want. I have a really good workout today for you guys. So I'm just starting out with the band work, as you guys already know, because on my shoulder. And then I'm gonna start to do some pull-ups. You know, just to warm up your back. Also, I like to do this gravity stretch, so I can just stretch my fucking old head back, bro. Oh, it feels good. I feel like a really good habit to have. So let's say if you're doing back, do a few pull-ups, and then if you're doing chest, do like a few push-ups before you actually hit your workout. I don't know, you just get that blood flowing, and the workout will go way smoother. You know what I'm saying? That's for all my old average guy. If you're a big motherfucker, feel bad for you. You can't even do a pull-up if you don't got this shit. You know what I'm saying? I go to the wide stand pull-ups. I do it like 5. You don't want to do like a whole fucking workout. A few pull-ups is fine. Then you hop on your shit. Yeah. We got Shorty with the little pull-ups. Okay. God damn. All right, come on, let's go. Up. Yeah, for all the ladies, you want to do pull-ups, supported pull-ups is your thing. Huh? Your abs already? She already, bro. She been taking, what is it? Fat burner? For like 2 days. She already got abs. I think I did like 10. I'm all set with that shit. So I don't want to get tired from my workout. Say less. So yeah, got a band. Let's go to our first workout. First workout of the day. Talk to me nice. What happened? All right, so take off all the weights so I can show you guys how this workout is done, how it should be done, how it has to be done. You feel me? Single arm lat pull down. That's what we're gonna call it, right? You wanna support yourself here. Make sure your thighs are here. Your chest is not here supported. Wanna get this motherfucker. You can either hold it here, which is the best one because of the curviness. Put this finger right here, thumbs out. The most important thing about this workout is the full stretch. So you wanna be stretched all the way. And then you wanna be straight down here. You want to bring it back as much as possible. And you're here. You don't want to be doing this. You don't want to be back here doing this. You want to be straight. Support your thighs to the pads. Chest supported to the pads. And you want to come here. Just a straight line. Everything straight. Just lat focus. All you're doing is lat work. Right here. Boom. Add a play on this mode. You want to try? Let's go. I'll show you how it's done. God damn. That's fine right there. I'm just going to show you how it's done. So be more forward. Make sure your chest is supported here. So you want to so the most important thing about this workout is a full stretch. So you want to go all the way up. You want to go all the way down and make sure your elbows follow. And you don't want to be to the side like that. You want to be straight down. Everything is just one line. So you go up, here, right there. You literally want to focus this. Yeah, I'm going to weight right now. How much you want to add?
45.
Damn.
45.
Oh, I said less. 25 or 45? Huh?
45.
She thinks she's strong as shit because I'm recording on YouTube video. All right, go. Go, bro. Go, bro. Remember, want to go all the way up. Stretch, yeah, right there. There you go. There you go. Stretch. Back all the way. Stop using that momentum. You're just going straight down using your lats. You're using this. Back here. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Validated. So you want to get that full stretch? Want to go all the way down. Yeah. Okay. All right, big toe. Big toe. Yo, how many are you doing though? Like, I'm waiting. I'm anxious. I'm shaking. I'm desperate for them gains. You heard? Right here, guys. So you want to go all the way up. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, I think that's 5. We're doing 10 on each side. Okay, it's pretty light. 1, 2, right here. Stretch. It's all one movement. Just focus on your lats. You won't see a difference. Fuck, I lost count. Let's call it, that should be 10. We got 2 plates on this shit right now. I did a plate at 25 for 10, trying to aim for at least from 8 to 10 reps. And we almost done with this shit, you know what I'm saying? So, make sure you're straight. It's 10. Ooh. Yeah, I feel my lats. I'm gonna see if I can add at least 2 plates on the 25 for 5 to 10 reps. And yeah, what was I saying? Before I forgot. But after this workout, he's using the machine. Oh no, he's not. A little bit of upper back. And yeah, we're putting in that work, baby. Let's just get it. Let's pull 2 25s, 2 45s and a 25. See how we doing this one. This is pretty heavy. See if I can do at least 5 to 8. Pretty nice and controlled. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 8. Oh, that was tough. Felt pretty good. All right. Ooh. One more. That was an amazing set. No cat. Next workout, baby. Let's go. Got some T-bar rows. So you get a full stretch going down as well. So I'll explain to you guys you guys can know what I'm talking about. So for me, this one, I like to I want my back to open like this. So open your back all the way and close it up all the way. Go as far back as you can. Basically gonna feel it on your rear delts and your upper back. That's all you wanna feel here, you know what I'm saying? It's pretty good. Wanna be here. Wanna be down. All the way down. Close it up. Oh. That feels amazing, you heard? Feels good. Make sure you go all the way down, stretch your back, and squeeze your back all the way up. So make sure that you want to feel it like on your rear delts and then your middle upper back. All right, say less. All right, let's do 2 plates. Huh? Nah, too strong for me, man. I ain't want to get fucked up. I ain't trying to get messed up, you heard? All right, let's go. It's more than enough, you heard me? Water, yeah. No, buy water. Free water right there. What you buy? Why you spend $4 on 2 waters?
I'm
It's free
not
water.
drinking that dirty ass water.
Get it for me then.
No.
Shorty man bougie, bro. For no reason. This is my second working, so I'll probably do 2 more working sets, and I'm straight. All right, so we're about to put 3 plates. You know what I need on my beautiful bag, wrist wraps. These are the Cobra grips. These are an essential. These are so good. If you love lifting, use these. Look at this one with the water. Just put a little 3 plate in it, you know what I'm saying? Whack ass song, bro. Whack ass song. All right. I'll just drink the water, whatever. It's free. Shit. All right, let's go. Beautiful working set. Yeah, stop playing. Shorty always trying to be like me, bruh. It goes over your hands, like that, yeah. Any hand, doesn't matter. Let me put them on for you.
Savage. Why didn't you get me a bag? Give me a bag.
What bag?
One of those.
You want one?
Nah.
Oh, dang. Shorty always trying to be like a motherfucker. Army green.
That's it?
Yeah.
Give me a black.
Nah, you're gonna get the army green.
I don't want the army.
We could swap colors. You wanna use my black one? Use your.
Before I look at it. Walking into the gym.
It's open, you know, right? It's a big ass bag, bro. You're gonna look like Dora the Explorer. That's the name, right?
Yes, that's her name, baby.
With a big ass bag. All right, come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Too much talking right now. Cobra grips. And I'm not sponsored. Should be sponsored. Cobra, if you're watching this, hit my line, baby. Come on, let's go. Let's get this working. Put them like this, right here.
That's how you use them?
Yeah.
That was the other way around. Babe, I cannot do 2 plates.
Come on, let's go. Up.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't touch it.
Okay, don't touch it. That's why I help you for a reason. Silver came out. Bro, you know how many times I farted on this machine is insane. Especially when you wear your belt, bro.
I did
All
it
that
though.
pressure
I did
and
it.
the pressure from the pad is crazy.
I did
Yeah.
it? You didn't help?
No, I didn't help you. On that last rep, I did it because you was like, let it go. I'm like, I know you need the help, my boy.
Should I go again?
For what? Rest and do it again.
You need these?
Yeah.
Buy me one of these.
I'm gonna do my last working set. I'm gonna put a plate. You know, let's do 4 plates in this hole. You heard? What? I am. She wants everything I have today for some reason. Shit. All right, let's do 4 plates. Let's see how nice and control I could do these. I know I can. I know I can do these, but nice and control is a whole different story. Anybody can lift heavy, but not everybody can lift properly, you know, the way you should be lifting. Trying to get that concept down where I want to lift nice and control, pretty modern heavyweight. I want to be all crazy and shit. That's how you get hurt as well. Let's see if I could do at least 5 or something here. Whatever I can get, I'm happy, you know. Pray for a brother. Okay, big doggies. Come on. I might raise my bitch, you heard? Yeah, talk to me. Yeah. On to the next, you heard? If you know me, you know me. 3 plates. Reason why I'm doing 3 plates is because my back feels still medium rare. Let's go. We're officially done with this workout. On to the next one. Pump cover is coming up. I don't feel pumped. Yeah, good shit. 35. Yeah, come on. Our last bag workout. We got the neutral grip. Come here. Chest up. Stretch. Align your elbows with your lats. Stretch. So you get that full stretch. Right there. Yeah, y'all already know. We might do some lower backs. I don't really be doing lower back on my back workouts, on my back days, but you should. It's a good thing to do. You're gonna get that nice Christmas shape on your back. And I'm out of breath. Yeah, I feel like we're looking good, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, that's really nice. Yes, sir, that's good. We're back home. Just took a shower. My camera died at the gym. But I'm having myself a big ass Chipotle. Took a few bites, as you guys can see. I got some rice, a double rice. So rice, black beans, double steak, pico de gallo, queso, and lettuce. That's all you need. That shit is massive. This is it for the video. If you guys enjoy this type of content, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment for future references. If you guys want me to make any type of content, make sure you guys leave it on the comment section. Let me know. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy and stay blessed and be part of the JFit families. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.